Raghav had actually asked me earlier if I could come and perform, but today's been a difficult day for me because my cousin brother, he finished his class 12 examinations and he got 90%. So this morning I took a hockey stick and I beat the hell out of him. He said, "What are you doing? Are you jealous of my career prospects?" I said, "No, I'm preparing you for university in Australia." And it's a fun job, stand-up, because as you get to do more, you get to travel quite a bit. I was in Bali recently. Anyone here been to Bali? Give me a cheer. Yes. A few people. Now, in Bali, the language they speak is Malay. What I didn't know was, thank you in Malay is terima kasih. I didn't know that. I get to the airport, I had one guy with his bag, he says, terima kasih. I said, what? He said, terima kasih. I said, teri pen, that's okay. In Malay, the word for milk is susu. I go for breakfast in the hotel, the waiter says, should I put some susu in your tea? I said, no, put some potty in my cornflakes. I went to China, and now they say that India and China are going to be all the next superpowers. Let's be honest, China is kicking our ass in most departments. We have to be proud of the things that we have that they don't have. Like Google, and democracy, and Savita Bhabi. You like that? And Delhi was a fantastic place. We're now going to have did you read about this? We're now going to have a new Formula 1 circuit. Imagine Formula 1 circuit in Delhi. In fact, forget it. You know what? We should have one Delhi driver versus Michael Schumacher. One-on-one. On our circuit or our fucking terms. Imagine that. Pole position, Michael Schumacher. Number 2 position, call center driver in Tavera. All the lights are red saying relax. Light becomes yellow, Michael Schumacher is waiting, this guy's already fucked off. It's Delhi boss, nobody waits for yellow light. Comes to the first turn, the Tavera guy puts his hand out of the window, turns the other side. Eventually Schumacher overtakes him, Tavera guy is coming aram se. Why? 50 yards ahead, Michael Schumacher is waiting because there's cows in the middle of the road. Tavera guy has a horn, presses the horn, cows to the side, goes ahead. He keeps going ahead, Michael Schumacher overtakes him. Again Tavera guy comes from the side, and then the road splits up into 2 parts. Tavera guy takes the kacha rasta, Michael Schumacher takes the pakka rasta. After 2 minutes, Michael Schumacher has to turn around and come back. Why did he turn around and come back? Because there's metro construction. And he's coming towards the pit lane, there's no entry time. And Schumacher goes the other way, Tavera goes inside. And Schumacher comes to the pit lane, he's putting petrol, some guy's coming trying to sell him magazines, there are children dancing over there. One guy's giving him a parking ticket. Tavera guy fucks off. Eventually Michael Schumacher is coming to catch up with him. Again the road splits up into 2 parts. This time, the Tavera guy goes one way, Michael Schumacher goes the other way. He takes the kacha rasta. Because last time he got fucked when he took the pakka rasta. And then eventually he comes to the finish line, crosses it, he's like, yay! I won! Get to the podium, Michael Schumacher disqualified. He's like, but why? Sir, you cannot go from that side. That is the BRT.